What if one company built your car's engine and its brain? That changes everything you know about driving forever. Most automakers buy batteries from suppliers like LG or Panasonic. Tesla does this and pays billions for the privilege. But BYD started as a battery company back in 1995. They didn't buy cells from others, they made their own. This single decision became their biggest weapon in 2026. Now they just dropped an engine that terrified the competition. The thermal efficiency hits 46.06%, which sounds like gibberish. But here is the truth: that number is absolutely insane. Traditional engines waste over 60% of fuel as heat. That means most of your petrol money literally evaporates into air. BYD flipped that equation and made heat work for them. Their new system uses 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers driven. Let me repeat that because you probably think I am lying. 2.9 liters for 100 kilometers of road. That is hybrid efficiency that beats most motorcycles on the market. Toyota spent decades perfecting the Prius and its hybrid system. Tesla bet everything on pure electric vehicles with no backup. BYD watched both approaches and chose a third path entirely. They asked, why not combine electric smoothness with petrol reliability? The answer became their fifth-generation DM hybrid powertrain. But understanding this engine requires knowing where BYD came from. In 1995, the company had nothing but a small factory. They made rechargeable batteries for phones and simple electronics. No one predicted they would challenge Tesla 2 decades later. BYD studied energy storage better than any car manufacturer alive. They understood lithium cells and thermal management at molecular levels. Other companies purchased batteries and just plugged them into cars. BYD manufactured every cell and controlled every chemical reaction inside. This deep knowledge became their foundation for everything that followed. In 2003, they shocked everyone by buying a failing auto company. People thought they were crazy entering such a crowded market. But BYD saw something others completely missed at the time. They realized cars were becoming computers on wheels eventually. And computers need great batteries to function properly every day. Their first car, the F3, was basic and unremarkable in every way. But in 2008, they launched the F3 DM hybrid vehicle worldwide. This was one of the first plug-in hybrids ever sold commercially. General Motors had the Volt, but BYD beat them to market. The industry laughed at first because Chinese cars seemed inferior. But BYD kept improving while everyone else ignored their progress. Fast forward to 2026. And nobody is laughing anymore today. The fifth-generation DM system represents everything they learned since. Let me break down how this engine actually works in practice. Imagine driving through city streets with stop-and-go traffic. The electric motor handles everything below 40 miles per hour. You hear almost nothing because the gasoline engine stays off. This saves fuel during your daily commute to work easily. Now picture merging onto a highway with traffic flowing fast. The engine kicks in smoothly without any jerky transitions at all. Both power sources work together like a perfectly coordinated team. The gasoline engine also charges the battery while you drive, so you never worry about finding a charging station anywhere. This is called series parallel hybrid configuration in engineering terms. But for drivers, it simply means freedom from range anxiety forever. The engine runs at its most efficient speed whenever possible. Instead of revving high and wasting fuel during acceleration, it maintains steady RPM while the motor provides extra torque. This coordination reduces fuel consumption dramatically across all conditions. Now here comes the number that keeps executives awake at night. 46.06% thermal efficiency is almost unheard of. Toyota's best engine achieves around 41% maximum efficiency. Honda's hybrid system reaches about 40.5% currently. Ferrari's V12 engines struggle to hit 35% ever. BYD somehow extracted more work from every drop of petrol. How did they achieve this seemingly impossible engineering breakthrough? They redesigned the combustion chamber for better air-fuel mixing. They reduced friction in every moving part inside the engine. They optimized the turbocharger to recover exhaust energy efficiently. They used advanced materials that withstand higher temperatures safely. And they integrated the electric motor into the transmission itself. Every component works in harmony without fighting against each other. The result is 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers on paper. But real-world testing shows even better numbers on highways. Drivers report traveling over 1,200 miles on one tank. That is enough to drive from New York to Miami easily. Now let me tell you about the battery behind this magic. BYD's Blade battery uses a completely different design philosophy entirely. Traditional batteries pack cells into bulky rectangular blocks together. These blocks trap heat and cause dangerous thermal runaway conditions. But Blade batteries use long, thin cells shaped like knives. This design spreads heat across a larger surface area immediately. Cooling becomes natural without complex liquid thermal management systems. The battery survives puncture tests that destroy standard lithium packs. Manufacturers like LG and Samsung cannot match this safety level. BYD developed this technology through years of battery research exclusively. Remember, they started as a battery company, not a car maker. This vertical integration gives them an unfair advantage over competitors. Tesla buys batteries from Panasonic and Cattle for their cars. Toyota sources cells from Prime Planet Energy Solutions currently. Ford relies on SK Innovation for their electric vehicle batteries. All these companies pay middlemen and lose control over quality. BYD manufactures everything from raw lithium to finished battery packs. They mine their own lithium and process their own materials. They assemble cells into modules inside their own factories worldwide. They design the battery management software that controls everything perfectly. This means they optimize the entire system as one unit. When the battery communicates with the motor, there is no lag. When the motor talks to the engine, everything responds instantly. When the engine needs charging, the battery accepts power efficiently. This seamless integration is impossible when parts come from different suppliers. Think of it like building a human body from scratch. If your heart comes from one company, and lungs from another, your brain from a third, and muscles from a fourth supplier, coordination would be clumsy, and energy would be wasted constantly. BYD builds the entire body with every organ working together. This is why their hybrids feel more responsive than competitors. This is why their efficiency numbers seem almost too good. This is why their prices remain affordable despite advanced technology. Speaking of price, let me address the elephant in the room. Most hybrid vehicles cost significantly more than petrol cars today. Toyota's RAV4 Prime starts around $43,000 currently. Honda's CR-V hybrid begins at $35,000 roughly. Ford's Escape hybrid costs about $34,000 base. BYD's Chin Plus DM sells for under $20,000 surprisingly. That price includes the 5th-generation hybrid system and Blade battery. How can BYD sell advanced technology for such a low price? The answer is vertical integration and massive economies of scale. They produce millions of batteries annually for cars and electronics. They manufacture their own motors, inverters, and control units internally. They own the supply chain from mining to final assembly lines. This eliminates markup from multiple suppliers along the production chain. Every dollar saved goes directly into making cars more affordable. Tesla cannot match these prices without sacrificing profit margins significantly. Toyota cannot compete because their hybrid system costs more to produce. Honda faces the same challenge with their supplier-dependent model. This pricing strategy threatens every automaker in every global market. Imagine buying a car that saves money at purchase and daily. You spend less on fuel and less on maintenance over time. You get advanced safety features and modern infotainment systems included. You never worry about battery degradation or replacement costs either. BYD warranties their blade batteries for 8 years or longer. This confidence comes from controlling the entire manufacturing process themselves. Now consider the global impact of this strategy unfolding now. Europe has strict emission regulations that punish high fuel consumption. BYD hybrids easily meet these standards without expensive engineering changes. Southeast Asian countries need affordable vehicles with low running costs. BYD delivers exactly what these emerging markets desperately require currently. Latin American nations struggle with charging infrastructure for pure EVs. Hybrids solve this problem by using petrol when electricity is unavailable. Middle Eastern customers want reliability in extreme desert heat conditions. Blade batteries perform consistently even when temperatures exceed 50 degrees. Every market finds a reason to consider BYD seriously now. The company tailors its approach to each region's specific needs. Tesla offers one product for everyone regardless of local conditions. Toyota offers reliable vehicles but at significantly higher price points. BYD bridges the gap between technology and affordability globally. This is why legacy automakers are scrambling to respond quickly. Ford recently announced they will develop their own hybrid system. General Motors revived their plug-in hybrid program after killing it. Volkswagen is partnering with Chinese battery makers to reduce costs, but catching up to BYD will take years of development time. Meanwhile, BYD continues innovating and extending their technological lead. They recently demonstrated autonomous driving features in their new models. They announced solid-state battery research for future generations. They are building factories in Brazil, Hungary, and Thailand currently. Their global expansion shows no signs of slowing down at all. The company sold over 3 million vehicles last year alone. That number grows every quarter as new markets open up. Tesla sold around 1.8 million vehicles during the same period. Toyota sold over 10 million, but mostly traditional petrol cars. The shift toward hybrids and EVs is accelerating worldwide now. BYD positioned themselves perfectly for this inevitable industry transformation. Their story proves that understanding energy beats building pretty cars. This is the single reason BYD is more dangerous than rivals. They don't just assemble vehicles, they control the power inside. They decide what battery chemistry works best for each application. They determine how much range customers actually need daily. They optimize every joule of energy from source to wheels. Competitors cannot copy this, because they lack foundational battery knowledge. They would need to become battery companies first and automakers second. That transition takes decades of research and development investment. BYD already completed that journey over 30 years silently. Now they reap the rewards of patience and strategic vision. The industry watches nervously as BYD expands its dominance further. By 2030, they could become the largest automaker on Earth. Not because they build the fastest or most luxurious cars, but because they understand the one thing everyone needs daily: energy that is affordable, reliable, and available everywhere immediately. That is the real revolution happening right now in plain sight. So the next time someone mentions electric vehicles, remember this story. The company that started making phone batteries now shakes giants. And their new engine proves hybrids are not going anywhere soon. They might just replace gasoline engines completely in your next car. The future belongs to those who control the source of power. BYD controls that source from the ground up entirely today. And that makes them the most dangerous automaker in 2026.